Hey guys, it's me, Goldilocks, and you're watching my channel, Goldilocks Does That Care and Share. So, in this video today, I have a new pair of shoes. I have a pair of Michael Kors. This is the Irving Stripe Lace-Up Michael Kors Heritage Canvas Low-Top Sneakers, 7.5. I got them today from Off Saks. I'm like a huge fan of like Michael Kors tennis shoes. I just think they're so fly. They're like for the person who wants to be sporty but is not an athlete. These shoes are so dope. So in this video today, I'm just basically going to show you like what I do for my kicks, my tennis shoes, my sneakers, whatever you want to call them, to keep them fly. Because if you're spending a good chunk on your shoes, you need to make sure they hold up and stay fly. Now retail price on these is like $110. Okay, I paid a little less, obviously. Girl loves a deal, but let's get to it. All right, so first thing we gotta do is take out the sticker on the inside. I hate that. So let's do that. Alright, so now that we have the stickers out, we're ready to go make these bad boys fresh to death. Okay, first thing we're gonna do. Now, first thing I want to say, I'm no like tennis shoe sneaker expert. I'm just a person who wants to keep their designer stuff nice. Okay, let me just put that out there first because I'm sure you guys will have critiques. So what I'm going to be doing to make my Kors fly is I'm going to use two different products. So first thing I'm going to do is clean them. So this is a shoe cleaner, soft sole. I got this from DSW. It might be on Amazon. I have to look it up, but I got this from DSW, and this is also by Soft Sole. It's like a mink oil. Like this stuff is like the best. Like this, not specifically this product, but like this type of product in general, like makes your shoes, your purses, your belts like pop, like everything. Like I love this. And a lot of people don't use this anymore, but I don't know why. Maybe because it takes a little more work, but it makes your shoes extra dope, extra shiny. It also makes them waterproof. Okay, so first things first, let's get to it. Let's clean this shoe. As you can see, it's already pretty clean, but we just want to make sure before we put like our oils or anything on there that we get any type of like dust or ash or whatever that came from the store. You know, people be doing stuff in stores they ain't got no business doing. So what I'm going to do, instead of just like spraying the whole shoe, I'm just going to spray, because it's not like super dirty or anything. I'm just going to spray it on a towel I have here. And I'm just going to like rub it on the shoe. And if the shoes were like dirty or weren't new, I'd probably go a little bit harder on the scrubbing, but I don't really think that's necessary. And then I'm just going to go through and just dry them. I mean, it already dried pretty nice. Ding! So pretty. They smell good too. So this is like the first time I'm using this cleaner, and so far, me like it. Because it foams like quick, but also dries pretty fast and smells like oranges. There we go. So the shoes are all clean now. Now we're going to treat it with the mink oil. It looks like this. It's dope. Just like a, almost like a wax. I'm going to take that same towel on the shoes, and this stuff works so amazing on leather or leather-like materials. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm just going to take it to the side. And like this can make all the difference in your shoe. Like this will make your joint pop and look brand new. And you can like do this, and you can do this in like layers, for real. And this will make your shoes waterproof and shine. I'll probably do 2 layers. Ooh, look at that shine. That's nice. I want to see if you can see the difference in the shoes. The one on the bottom has been shined, the one on the top has not. I don't know if you're able to see the difference like on camera, but yeah, in person it's like very apparent which one has been treated and which one hasn't. This one's been treated. Let's do the other shoe. Same thing. This. Put the wax on your towel. Bam! Both shoes treated. Looking good. And I'm gonna go through and do a second coat of the mink oil. I should have did like 1 coat and then 2 coats so you guys can really see the difference between, you know, the finishing product, the finished product, and 2 coats. Ooh, that's nice. Can you see the difference? Probably not. 1 coat, 2 coats. Fabulous. Alright, so in between coats you want to just give it like a minute or 2. No big deal. For it to absorb, and that's your shoe. Right? Let's do the next one. And I know it doesn't look too different obviously from when I pulled it out the box, but it's not really supposed to. Like, this is to preserve our shoe and make sure that our shoes stay fly. And that's it, y'all. Look at how good they look. Now they're ready. They are ready. So I would just let these dry overnight, obviously, before I water them. Give the oil a chance to fully absorb, and these bad boys are ready for the streets. Ready for the streets. Ready for the streets. Alright guys, thank you for watching.